Hello everyone, welcome back to FunMathology. Today's topic is prime factorization by short division method. As you know, in the last class we have already started prime factorization. We have seen one of the process that is known as factor tree method. So this is the second process, short division method. So what we will do is we'll take a number and we'll see how the process goes. So we'll take a number 288. Got it? So we'll start dividing with the smallest prime number and make our way till the final quotient is 1. So this is the process. So what is the process? We'll start dividing with the smallest prime number and make our way till the final quotient is 1. So you can see the smallest prime number is 2, which divides 288 exactly. So let's start with 2. So 144 is the quotient. Again we'll divide the quotient with the smallest prime number, that is again 2. So we'll continue. Again 2, again 2, again 2. Now this is 9, right? So it will not be divided by 2. So what will be the next prime number after 2? That will be 3. 3 divides 9 exactly. So we'll divide it by 3. 3, then again 3, 1. So we'll stop here. As we said that we'll stop when the final quotient is 1. So we'll write prime factorization of 288 is equal to, so 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. So this is the finding out the prime factorization by short division method. So let's take up one problem, right? So let's take up one problem. So you might face a question such as this. So we'll take a question based on this concept, right? So write the smallest 3-digit number and express it as the product of prime numbers. So you might face a question such as this based on prime factorization by short division method, right? So what it says that write the smallest 3-digit number and express it as the product of prime number. So we'll take the smallest 3-digit number. So what is that? It's 100. So obviously let's see, we'll start with 2. So this is 50. Again we'll start with 2. We'll divide this 50 by 2, that is 25. But then again 25 is not divisible by 2. So the next prime number is 3. Again 3 do not divide 25 exactly. So what after 3 comes? 5. So 5 divides 25 exactly. So 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5. So we can write that prime factorization of 100 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1. Got it? So these are the two methods to find out the prime factorization of any number. One is the factor tree method and the second is the short division method. So I guess you are following my classes. If you have any queries, let me know. I'll try to solve those queries as soon as possible. So in the next class, we'll be taking up another new topic, that is HCF, that is highest common factor. Okay. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.